Okay, good evening, folks. It is 10 o'clock on the 20th of April 2010. I'm just going to do a quick run through here of a few pairs here that have made some significant moves today. Some of the other pairs I'll just not bother mentioning, and the weekly analysis that I did on the forum on Sunday night, I'll just still stand on the pairs I don't cover. So starting on this Aussie dollar. Basically, we came far enough down on Monday to complete the buy setup. So it was, we're all ready to go long. We did have the TDF buy setup on the 4 hour and actually a bounce from a TDST support level down here, but I decided to try and wait to get on the 30-minute or 15-minute frame, which obviously now looking back it was a mistake, which isn't good, but basically got the directional bias right here anyway so far this week. Looking at this now, really to bring the bull properly into play though, we still have to get above this 93.46 level, at which point would be the next sort of area I would look to go long. But looking at it, this is 93.46 as well, TDST resistance on the 4 hour. We're on the 7th bar of a TD sell setup, so we could actually see here that we make a failure here, so it could still be worth we could still easily fail at that 93.46. We are on the ninth bar of a sell setup on the weeklies here, and we do still remain below that 94 level. So it could actually be worth, if we start to get up to this TDST resistance level overnight, early tomorrow, start to sort of spike and fail through it and produce a TDF sell bar here. I think it'd actually be worth selling this one as well now. Just sort of two options here really, based on this nine count sell setup on the weeklies, and the fact that there's still a big barrier to get through. If we do get through it, fair enough, we'll look to go long as the daily chart's saying, but I think this could still present a good selling opportunity here. If we have a close above this level at all, I would forget about that. I would just leave it. But if we don't and we start to fail around about this level, then could actually be quite a good level to be going short. So just keep a close eye on that tomorrow. Okay, this euro pound. So today, I actually recommended taking my sort of euro pound system that I've been trading on the demo for a while now. Because I was just quite happy with this level. On Sunday night, obviously, I said in the analysis I was looking to sell the 88.04. We actually opened above that level, but the way that we tried to go higher on the Monday and then close below that level, I said in the video last night, any kind of move to that 88.04, I wouldn't really expect the price to stay around there for very long. So this morning when we'd made our sort of 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock box, I just like this level a lot to go short, which is why I recommended to do it, and I took it myself. So hopefully this one's going to follow through. Just waiting now for it to get through this weekly trend line, close below, and then probably take some more profits down at that 85.22 level. And on the daily chart there we go down to 84, so the 85.22 area would be sufficient to take profits on that one. Euro yen, US dollar yen, I'll miss out. So the opposite one now to this euro pound is the pound Swiss franc. And as I was saying in the room today, we've had a go at this level now a few times, so we're going to actually remove it to the close. So any time tomorrow that we're down below this level, I wouldn't imagine price would stay there for long. So look for sort of any turning signals below this 388 level, because I'd imagine the market will want to get back above it and close above it and head for this 590 level. So I'm going to be on the move tomorrow, so I may not have too much chance, although I may be around early morning, so we'll see how this is looking by then. But it looks as if we're going to have a run at this 590, and that would tie in with the euro pound scenario here of heading lower here. So hopefully those two play out. Pound yen, as I said to Carol this morning, I wanted to wait till we had the 9 count on the 4 hour, which we're going to have now. That'll close in 55 minutes. So again, we're gonna just about fail to close above this 143.21, which is good. I'm gonna just take this one out because it's obviously not as important. And this is why I wanted to wait, just to see what was going to happen here. So it looks like we're going to fail to close above that 43.21, and then if we look at this pound dollar as well, it's going to fail to close above this 1.5371 level. So we could start to see some weakness coming in the pound on the back of these closes tomorrow. So I would say the play now would be to keep a close eye on this 4 hour setup on the pound yen. The risk could be fairly high. It's a 4 hour chart on the pound yen, so just be careful. Maybe open up just one position initially, and maybe look to add to that if price comes back up, or maybe even just wait to see if price comes back up. Don't rush into anything too quickly, because obviously the pound yen will bring about a higher risk. Could quite easily have over 100 pips risk, so just be careful on that one. But I do feel price is going to struggle from here. We had this big bearish outside bar, 3 more days left in the week. I'd expect this to come down from here. Yeah, US dollar CAD again is just being a complete problem. Again, I've got the directional bias fine. I'm quite happy with that. But again, just getting into this trade is going to be really difficult. We've got this thrust support here, basically at the parity level, parity 2. Is there going to be enough room here tomorrow to test this level and go down? We've still got a risk that we could test some of this area from today. So again, I'm just not going to touch this again. So it looks like it's going to be another story similar to what's been going on the rest of the time, trying to go short here. Although we did have this nice pin bar, which I did mention earlier on today, so I expected the weakness to keep to follow through. Although I obviously didn't know about the news that came out to do with the dollar, Canadian dollar today. But I guess you could have traded the breakout of the low of that bar. Based on my directional bias. But if you look at this monthly chart, this is what I was looking for. We didn't quite get up to the 242 level, but that was what I wanted, a test of that level and then a quick failure. We did get that, okay. It was news related, but it doesn't matter, it was on the cards anyway, so the news coming out just speeded it up for me anyway, as far as I can see. So this dollar yen, we got into that nice trade, TDF buy setup on the 4 hour, came right down to my weekly double thrust level and monthly level, so we've had a nice bounce from there. Looks like we're going to remove the 93.13 level to the close. I wouldn't really look to buy that level because it's quite a close affair here, but anytime we fall back below this level tomorrow, I would expect us to be it'd be quite short-lived to be below this level tomorrow. I would expect it to keep going up, and so hopefully we'll maybe get to add some more positions at some point. But this 93.13 level, I think, is just a bit close to be looking to add. We could get a bounce from the 94.25 and come back down around that area, and then we could maybe look at going long there. But at the moment, anyway, it's looking not too bad. So hopefully this will follow through. Okay, see you in the morning. Cheers, guys.